This is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your PlayStation 5 back to the default settings. And we're going to do this through the safe mode menu. Now to access the different menus, we want to go on down to the power option right here and completely turn off our PlayStation 5. So we don't want to go to enter rest mode, otherwise we won't be able to access the safe mode menu. Then we want to make sure our controller is plugged in with a USB cable just like this. And then let's scroll on down. And we want to wait for the light on the PlayStation 5 to completely stop blinking. So once it stops blinking, we want to go over to the power button and hold down the power button. We will hear one beep initially, and then we will hear another beep about 5 seconds later. And our PlayStation 5 will launch into the safe mode menu. Go to your controller and press the PlayStation button now, and the lights should turn teal. Then we're going to have a bunch of different options on the screen. And we want to go on down to option number 7. Reset PS5. And if you reset it, it's going to return back to the factory default settings, and you'll have to sign in with your email address and password and then download all your games again. It says all user and all data will be deleted from your PlayStation 5. It will be like when you first bought it from the store. Are you sure you want to continue? Press yes, and then you can go ahead and do that. Now we do have option number 8. It says reset PS5, and then you need to go to PlayStation.com and download the system software onto a USB device, and it will completely reinstall the system software. So if you do have any kind of like catastrophic errors on your PlayStation 5 where everything else just doesn't seem to work, you can come down to option number 8 and see if that fixes your issue as well, if option number 7 does not. Otherwise, we can go to option number 4, update system software, and we can go to update using the internet. This will apply a fresh copy of the system software to our PlayStation 5. So we have 2 different options right there. Or we can go to rebuild database if we are having issues with our hard drive, and this will fix any kind of corrupted data that we have. Otherwise, we can go to repair console storage. Now if you encounter a black screen, we can go to option number 2 and then go to change resolution and then change it to a compatible resolution. So I'm on a 1080p TV that doesn't support 4K. If I had my PlayStation 5 settings set to 4K, it would just come up as a black screen. So I'd want to go ahead and change that right there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.